word work is next. We're working on the an word family. Did anyone think of more words that end with the an phoneme or an sound unit? Phoneme means word, sound unit. And so we have our book cover. And then our word yesterday. Remember the fans I showed you from my trip to Spain? The word is fan. And our sentence is, do you have a fan? Okay, let's turn to the next page. At the top with pencil, please write the two letters A and, because that's the ending sound unit, or phoneme. Let's put that word in our brain 3 times. Phoneme, phoneme, phoneme. And now we need a letter for the front. I drew a line in the middle, remember, for our pencil line for the picture half. I'm at the word half. Be ready. And the bottom part for our writing. Today's word, I'd like you to add, that's a math word, the third letter of the alphabet. You can use a marker, remember we usually do that. You find the third letter of the alphabet and write that at the beginning of the word. Write the third letter in the air so I can see that. Nice. That means your word matches my word, which is the word can, which is one of our reading words. And can has 2 primary definitions. One is the verb can, which usually indicates ability. So I can swim, I can ski, I can go with you. Or the other is the can is how I would pronounce it, can, which is a cylinder, like this. Although that's a jar. So can is the word we have today. All right, if you're ready, let's do the sentence first today. And you have your space bar and your pencil and purple punctuation ready. I'm going to start with the word that has 2 letters, one of our kindergarten words. It starts with a W and ends with a vowel. We. With your space bar then, the next word is a 2-letter kindergarten word that starts with D and ends with a vowel. This word, do. We do. Ready? Space bar. First grade word I used yesterday with yesterday's sentence. Starts with an H. Next letter is A. Next letter is V, which would be great sound spelling for the word have, but you know it has the silent E at the end. So far our sentence says, we do have. I ran out of space, so I'm going to write my next word underneath. Kindergarten word with 3 letters. The first one we learned starts with a T, then has an H, and then has an E. We do have the spacebar, and then the word can. I'm going to write that again. We do have the can. Can. Purple punctuation. No, I'm not using the verb, the ability word in this sentence. I'm using the object or the noun, the can. I don't have a can on my counter right now. But you reach in the pantry. Yeah, this one. Vegetarian organic chili from Trader Joe's. Oh, remember when I used to read the long list of food names from our snack? Okay, I'll do that on another day. Okay, we do have the can. If you'd like to make a picture by yourself right now of a can at the top, you can do that. If you'd like help, I'll help you out. I'm making 2 medium long parallel lines like that. And then at the bottom, I'm making a soft, small crescent or curved line. Crescent geometry term. At the top, I'm making a similar line to connect the top 2 lines. And then above that, I'm going to make a line that goes in the opposite direction, curving up. That has our can. Cans usually have a label on them when we buy things from the store so we can know what is inside. So I put 2 smaller parallel lines on the inside of the can shape. And then I'm going to make the same type of lines again, a little straighter, a little closer to a rectangle, to show the label. And then you can draw a picture of something that you want to show is in your can. Let's read our sentence again. We do have the can. Ready. I'm going to stop that one and then a new word tomorrow.